That's where we're going today for the boat ride. Right there. We're gonna go around that island and close to the other side of that mountain too. Come around this way, and the restaurant is right at the bottom. I don't know if you can see those boats and whatnot. We'll see you there today. Boat ride and Bulalo. It is 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna head up to a Starbucks. We're just gonna walk. It's only like less than 100 yards from here, and then from there we're gonna head up to the lake. So if you guys are interested in going to Taal Lake for 1 hour boat ride, it's like 3,000 pesos, and then you pay the 500 fee for I forgot the name. Anyway, and also $100 each person for the house, the owner of the boat, I guess. So that's altogether 3,700 pesos for 1 hour ride. And yes, you can fly your drone. I guess that's the only place you can fly a drone here in Tagaytay, because so far I've been asking if I can fly the drone, and they said it's illegal in most area, in most cities. So that kind of sucks. Unless there's another way you can do it. You have to get permission from the city police department, I guess. You have to get a certification. So that's one way you can fly it, but I don't know how long that process is going to take. You know, this is our daily routine here. Starbucks every morning, and it's only like, I swear, it's like probably 100 meters or less walk from our hotel, or from our condo. I'm sorry, from our condo. So there's a lot of restaurant here. I mean, the amenities is really good. It was raining last night, so we didn't do too much walking. You can throw mine away. Huh?
Oh my god. Oh, it's so cold in there.
You cold?
Yes, I'm cold. Oh, that feels best.
Got on the shoes.
Boy or girl? Boy. Cute. Oh, he's cute.
Is he friendly?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Wasim.
Wasim.
Yeah, Arabic name.
Come here.
Oh, they just want to know each other.
Yeah.
Making some friend. Oh, your shoes came out, Wasim. Come here. Come here.
It's okay.
And he even has a reflector.
It's yeah.
He even has a reflector. Wow. For safety.
Thank you so much.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Hi there.
Come here, boy.
Snobs at home.
Come here, boy.
Where is your home?
Agua.
Yeah.
Come here, boy.
Philippines.
Oh, thank you.
It's similar to home, but it's like colder. But
Oh, in here it's cold. Yeah.
Here it's cold.
Yeah, Tagaytay and Baguio.
Baguio.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Baguio is
I think Baguio is colder.
yeah, and Tanay, as well as Tagaytay Rizal.
Oh, okay.
Wasim.
Culture so.
You're a handsome boy. You're a handsome boy, Wasim. Huh? You're a handsome boy.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have 4.
Yeah, we have 2 house dogs and 2 outside.
Outside.
Yeah.
But they're big, big dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't
What
have
is
a
breed?
We don't have a small one like this.
Yeah.
Pit bull and yeah.
Yeah, we have a pit bull.
They're big.
Then we have
They look scary.
two
but
pit bulls
There's so much
and
love.
two like bunny dogs.
So much love.
Yeah.
Pit bulls, yeah. They're the ones that even if you don't want the love,
What's him?
throwing them.
Yeah.
What's him, boy?
He's cute.
You're a handsome boy.
I know.
Hmm? You're a handsome
I've
boy.
never seen those shoes.
I like your sneakers. What's him?
Shoes are so cool.
Yeah.
You got his picture with his sneakers?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Wait,
gonna
let's see.
be
Let's see.
on
Let me
YouTube channel.
see.
Because he has a channel.
Channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the name of his?
Red Dirt 671.
671.
I will find.
Yeah, find it,
Yeah.
and when we get home, he's gonna prepare the videos, and we will.
So you don't mind if I?
You don't mind if we put him?
Oh, even now.
Yeah.
Let's follow them.
Yeah. Follow us. Red
So we have a new subscriber.
Red Bird 671.
So we're gonna go to the lake today.
One mini party. We're
You'll
going
see.
to the lake today.
Yeah, we're going to the lake.
Hi, I'm your
Shell.
Shell,
Very
nice to meet you,
And
Shell.
this is
Said,
Wasim.
Nice to meet you.
Arabic name.
Wasim.
Wasim.
Okay.
Meaning in Arabic, it's handsome.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's what I said. He's handsome.
You
See?
did say he was
See?
handsome.
Handsome boy. You're a handsome boy, Wasim.
Follow them.
Yeah. Salamat.
Oh, sige po. Nice meeting you.
Yeah. Take care. And
Take care. Thank you.
This is
So-
a good size stairs, though.
So we're gonna go back to the condo,
Yes.
get my drone in my backpack,
Yes.
and then we're gonna meet with our tuk-tuk driver
Yes.
and head up to the lake.
Okay.
All right, we are on our way to the lake, to the boat ride.
25 years old, sir, doon.
Ano?
25 years old to 30. Ang edad nyo doon, pag nakasakay kayo doon.
Oh, doon sa Guam, ang dami mga Pinoy na may Harley. Ang dami.
Hindi, ibig sabihin niya, pag gagamit nyo yun, pag nakasakay kayo, para kayong edad 25 to 30 years old.
Oh, yeah?
Lalo kayo na bata doon.
Ay, parang bata.
Parang 25 years old kayo.
Yun nga. Ano?
Attend po kayo ng mga show doon sa Guam, mga show.
Oh, mga bike show? Hindi pa. Merong mga car show.
Pero meron niya rin doon.
Mga kotse, mga lowrider, ganyan.
Dito sa Pinas, pag in-entry nyo yun, ano na kayo, sikat na kayo ng
Sikat na.
yung Harley Davidson yun. Pag ganun, sir, din ang tunog, gawin niya.
Yeah, that sounds like a big bike. Noon, meron akong sports bike noon. Kaya lang, matandaan na ako eh. Masakit sa likod. Oh, we gotta pull over for the...
Big time
That's,
yun. Big time mo yung nakamotor na yun.
Yeah, that's motor.
May highway patrol ng escort eh.
Yeah.
Yung nakamotor po ngayon, baka pwedeng government o...
Oh, ganyan ba?
Big time yan, oh.
Oh,
May, ano,
sikat na tao, no?
highway patrol po yung kanyang escort.
Ano nga eh, sikat na eh.
Sikat po yan. Titik po mo po, eh. Yan yung pag mga, big time.
Yan yung klaseng motorcycle, madami din yun sa Guam. Yung naked bike, ang tawag nila, naked bike.
Ayun, doon yung pumunta, oh. Kakain yata doon sa...
Ay, hayop talaga.
Kaya, yun ano, baka artista o kaya ano,
Artista?
o kaya government.
Siguro.
Pero kung titignan, bawal na yun, sir, no?
Ha?
Bawal po.
Bawal daw?
Hindi, di ba pag ginamit nyo ng gano'n?
That's it, we got young bikers right here. Young future bikers of the Philippines. Who knows, one day you'll see them in the Olympics.
Ay, nag-Starbucks.
Okay, all of that for Starbucks? Really? Come on, man. I'm just kidding.
Sa CrossFit siya, nakita ko po.
So,
Puro matatamis po pala kinain nyo kahapon.
oh yeah.
How many miles is this down from?
So you just saw a biker going up, and I just saw about 20 bikers. Kudos to those guys, because this is all uphill. I couldn't do it. So this guy's a strong biker, man, coming up the hill like that. And it looks like they just kind of strolling and cruising. Not this kind of biker.
Yes, ma'am.
From the main road.
Okay, so that is outside.
We just saw a Komodo dragon in English, Bayawa in Tagalog, and Alitai in Chamorro. But I was too slow to turn on the GoPro, and he ran away.
Yeah.
So it was right in the middle of the
ran
road.
up into the mountains.
So anyway, I was out of luck filming that.
Next time.
This is about a good 3 to close to 4 miles of downhill riding towards the lake of Lake Taal.
Yeah.
Di ba Lake Taal ba yun? Ang tawag? Okay. Lake Taal. Okay, now we are entering the compound where the restaurant slash boat ride. So we were here a day, 2 days ago.
Yeah.
The first day we got here, the Pinakbet and
Oh my gosh.
the
It was delicious.
Bulalo. Man, it is good. It is number one.
Yep. So good.
Here we go. Here we go. Kamusta? Good to be back.
Welcome, sir. Namiss ang pinakbet.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
That's the best.
Wow.
Yeah. The pinakbet. This is up too. Who makes the pinakbet?
Compliments to the chef. The master cook. Compliments. So here we are. He's a gentleman right here. Okay, we're gonna take care of some paperwork. So we'll be back. Coming down, babe? Huh? So we're heading up to the boat. Yay! You okay, my babe?
Go ahead, babe. Go ahead.
Okay, just hold on to it. Just feel your way. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah. Honey, you have to grab onto this, okay?
Yeah. My sister's name is Chanel.
I think it's better if I do this.
Yeah. Turn around and hold my hand.
Oh.
Okay. This way, he said.
Okay.
Okay, I got
And
it.
then get down.
Yeah,
There you go.
I got it.
You got it? Okay, we're on the way to the lake, the volcano. You know, since this is a lake, it's not as choppy as the ocean back home. So it's a little bit more smooth.
Wow. We're actually riding a canoe, babe.
Yep, we're all riding in a canoe.
I love it. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. A little bit choppy there for a minute. You know, for a small canoe like this, it's a little choppy. Seems kind of big. Can you imagine if we ride a jet ski here? That'd be awesome. What you see over there are fish cages.
Yeah.
So there's like tilapia
Yeah. Fish farm?
and bangus. Over there is a condo. I don't know if you can zoom in and close up, but I think the first building on the left, that's where we're staying at. This is what you see from the top of the floor. And over there where the brown area, the brown part over there, is the actual live volcano.
Wow.
Okay, that part over there, according to the driver, that erupted January 12,
2020.
2020. So 3 years ago,
That's my birthday.
it erupted.
This crater mom at the front, this one. Erupted year 1907 mom. 1907? Yeah.
Okay,
This one in the front.
right here in the front, it erupted in 1907.
Clear, mom.
So that's why, if you look at it, you see those trees and plants are growing in it. So that kind of answered my question, why there are greens growing inside. So he said it erupted in 1907. That right there. And that one, right there, 3 years ago it erupted. This is such a beautiful place. You know, I am proud to say I'm Filipino and I live in this area. So they have locals that stays here, but after the explosion in 1907, they don't allow people to live here. But they do allow them to come here and fish.
Stay for a little bit.
Yeah, stay for a little bit,
Island.
but they have to leave. Yeah, that's right. They have to leave the island, so they don't really reside here per se.
Yeah.
It's like a ranching, you know.
Yeah, like coming back to over.
Yeah, so they come here to get fish, whatever they're planting, but they can't per se stay here. So I guess this is like a family inheritance. Interesting, man.
I know, babe. It's awesome.
I don't know if you can see, look at all those fish cages. So those are the locals.
They even have dogs.
The dogs is in there, so. Yeah, I was asking the driver, are these locals living in here? He said yes and no. They don't really live here, so. Look at all the birds in the mountain.
Yeah, beautiful.
Look at all the birds. You see those white dots? Those are the birds. And we got some more fish cages. Oh, look at that. Looks like another land over there. Oh, man. It's a lot bigger than I thought.
Yeah, that's what he said. Better to go around.
Wow, it looks small from the other side, but when you come around, look at that. It's like an island. Like you can actually live here. Well, he did say back in 1907 people were living here, but after it erupted, they don't allow them anymore. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, guys. So if you're ever interested in going to Philippines and visit, Tagaytay is one place, one of the many places you can visit. You know, it's not fully developed per se, like Manila, but man, I'm loving it. The temperature, the weather is nice and cool. See, if I was in Guam with this hot sun, I'll be burning up like crazy. But in here, it's nice and cool. I love it.
Nausap po yung main grader mo.
Yun?
Opo, usap po yun.
Oh, most, yeah, okay. So it's still active?
Yes, yes sir.
Kasabi,
Alert level 1 po. Alert level 1.
oh, okay.
How long ago?
See, that one out there is still active.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't know.
Level 1, ma'am.
It's crazy. You see, you got people in here kind of like staying overnight, and you have an active volcano. I don't know, man. I don't know about staying here with an active volcano, because Mother Nature, you just don't know. And I'm not sure what this is. Is that a houseboat? It looks like a houseboat. Yeah. You have a bigger boat? I like that. I like that, man. Parang bahay, oh. Ano?
Puno po yan sir dati ng mga bahay. Yung iba po natabunan.
Ah.
Tapos yung iba po lumubog sa tubig. Bali yung paano po ng vulkan po, umiksi po, kinain po ng tubig.
Oh, he said like some of these houses actually went down under the water, but that one right there, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I can see the craters. The craters is right there. See, there's houses in there. Some more fish farm on the other side, or fish cages. Yeah. So it's kind of like it goes all the way around the volcano. So everyone has a spot. You can smell the sulfur on the water. Minor difficulties, minor difficulties. Here we go, here we go. Like I said, minor difficulties. Don't panic. We got this, Tagaytay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Marinaos mo yung main crater.
Whew, that was scary. I thought I was gonna lose my drone again.
Yeah. Me too.
My butt was puckering up. Look like we got some rain up ahead.
Ano po yan? Harvested na po.
Hello?
Galing harvest na po yan.
Oh!
There's the waterways again. From the flood.
Yeah, yeah. That's where the water, yeah, that's right. I don't know if you can see that over there. That's where the water comes out, like it floods.
There are people there. Even over there. Now the water is not salty at all.
Man, it was getting kind of rough there for a minute. Woo!
Hold that tight, sir.
Woo! The rain is coming down. Okay, here we go. we're done with the boat ride. How you say that? That concludes the Taal Volcano boat ride. So we're now going in. We're going back to the restaurant.
Yeah.
Have ourselves a nice hot bulalo.
Lunch.
Yeah. A nice pinakbet and some crispy pata.
Yeah. And the crispy pata.
Here we go, baby. Here we go, baby.
She's probably wondering.
Here we
my
go,
baby?
baby. Oh, that's the mom.
That's the mom.
Here we go,
Like,
baby.
OMG, how about my baby?
Yeah, I'm gonna go first, or yo?
You go first so that you can help me.
Okay. We just got back from the boat ride, and this is what waits for us. Crispy Pata, Bulalo, Pinakbet. Yeah, that's what you call service with a smile. Oh, thank you. Yeah. More peppers. This is the after effect.
Whoa.
Tsaka, yeah, we'll take pictures with him.
Yeah,
This guy's-
yeah.
So we're done for today. Oh,
Oh,
you can go ahead and put on my back.
thank you.
Wow, beautiful. Beautiful house. You guys have a nice day. The pole gate. We gotta take. There you go.
All the way around, babe. All the way around. Thank you, everybody.
All right, guys. It's a wonderful hospitality. We enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye. Ooh, my feet is wet. Yeah. Whew.
My clothes are still.
That was a wet ride, but it was all right.
We enjoy
The
it.
last part of the boat was it started raining, but other than that,
Oh, are you
kumakain ka ba? That's it for today, folks. We are done with the boat ride, done eating, heading back to the condo, take a shower, take a nap.